Hey everyone, this is Sugandha and you're watching Ready for SS English, and I hope so you all are well and you're watching my sessions. If you're not watching, then please go and search over the playlist. You could find those sessions, right? And please watch them because they are really helpful, they are very interesting, and you have requested me several times those sessions, okay? So if you're watching me for the very first time, make sure to subscribe my channel because the sessions you would be requesting in the comment box, you would be getting them in your notification feed whenever they will be uploaded, right? So today we would be discussing something very interesting, and in my last session we have already discussed about the leaves. Yes, how many kind of leaves are there and what are the policies regarding the leaves. So this we have already discussed, but here the curiosity arises regarding one thing, and that is how the attendance sheet could be maintained. A simple attendance sheet. I'm not talking about any tough kind of a sheet where you have to do so many calculations. I'm talking about a simple Excel sheet if you are working in a small organization or a mid-level organization, or you want your own record to be maintained. You want that, yes, I should maintain my own record of present and absent, so you can make this sheet. This is one of the simplest sheet I have made, and I have used only two formulas over here that I'll tell you. Okay, so yes, so let's get started. I have just created a dummy data because I can't mention anyone's name or something. So this is the January sheet, means for the month of January I have created, and I have made it very simple. You will able to understand when I would be discussing the columns. Okay, so let's move on to the serial number. First you can create serial number, then is employee code. Whatever employee code you have for the employees, you have to mention in this column. Next is employee name, and employee name I have mentioned from A to H. You have to mention the employee name, actual employee name. These are the dummy. Okay, next is designation. Again, designation is dummy. I have mentioned dummy designation. Whatever designation your employees are having, you have to mention over here, right? Next is date of joining. Okay, whatever date of joining they have, you can mention over here. Okay, next is write Saturday, like SAT over here, and just scroll it to the right side. You will get Saturday, Sunday, Monday automatically. Okay, up to Monday, up to 31. Okay, same way I have done for dates also. I have put 1 and then I have scrolled it right up to 31 date. Okay, so this way I have created this sheet. You can do it if you are learning MS Office or MS Excel, then you would be able to understand. If you're not learning, please try to do this way. Try to learn it out because it will really be helpful for you, okay, in the future. Now next I'm showing down here, for present I have kept one color P. Okay, and means in P we have a light blue color. You can keep any color if you want, right? These colors I have taken because I like these colors. I like my sheet this way. Okay, for absent I have taken a red mark, that is A. Okay, it's your completely your choice what colors you want. Okay, it's not compulsion that you have to take these colors only. You can take any of the colors over here. Okay, now for absent, and then for holiday I have kept yellow color. Okay, we would be having a look how we have to create this in sheet. Now for paid leave, light green again, then half day purple, and for this week off I have taken blue. Okay, so I have taken these colors and now I would be making it to run on my sheet. Now don't get confused by the word run. I mean that they should be depicted on my sheet. If I have to write present or P, then this light blue color should be there on my sheet. Okay, so this I would be doing, and I would be showing you how to do it. It's really simple. Please do practice it. Otherwise it will be a story or it will be just a session and you would not be gaining it because it comes only after practice. Okay, the same way I have done it for Sunday. Like if I have to make it in a red color, then what I have done is, see, I went to conditional formatting and see, I'm going to new rule. I have clicked it, and then the second one I would be selecting format cells, format only cells that contain, right? I have clicked this. Here I would be clicking equal to Okay, and now I would be writing sun over here. Okay, and I would be clicking format and from the below, and there I would be giving it a color. Okay, I would be choosing a red color. Here I would be choosing a red color, whatever color you want. Okay, you can choose it as per your choice. I am choosing red color, so I have chosen it and I have applied OK to it. Okay, now I would be doing OK, and then this color will be applied. Wherever I'll write Sunday, then red color will be there. It will be in red color. Okay, now see, let me do it over here. Sunday. Okay, see, this is in red color. This is will also be in red color. Okay, obviously Sunday won't come twice a week, so I was showing you, right? So this kind of formatting I have done from conditional formatting. See, it's very simple. You have to do it yourself, then only you will be able to understand. Now I would be applying this present absent over here. Okay, so now I'm doing it again. I would be doing conditional formatting again, and you will see that it's so easy that you could do it, right? I'm requesting again, please do practice it, otherwise it will be a story. I'm again going on conditional formatting. See, now again I would be taking a new rule and again format cells that contain. Okay, again this equal to, again the same thing I would be doing. I would be typing P. Wherever I will type P, I have to fill this light blue color. I want this light blue color to get filled over there wherever I'll write P. Okay, so this is done. Now I will be doing OK. Okay, right, so let's see what will happen. Here, see, I would be doing it here. Wherever I'll write P, see, I have written P over here. So light blue color is there. Okay, this is the way you could do it. It's really simple. Try to do it, try to practice it. I'm saying repeatedly because it won't come without practicing. Here I would be doing again CLA. Like this, I have applied all the conditional formattings. Okay, I'm showing you wherever I'm putting the things, you will get it. Okay, same you will get it. Means wherever you would be putting these kind of things, you will get it. Okay, now you can do it. I'm moving forward because it will, if I would be doing all, then it will be really a delay. I've removed this. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. And here I am coming over here. Yes, present days, week offs, how I have calculated it. Okay, this is also very interesting part, and you will love it. Now, how to calculate present days? Now I am calculating present days and I have put a formula. This formula is really easy. Let's do it together. Okay, what I have done is I have applied a count formula. Yes, you might have seen. I have to count these. But what I have to count? I have to count where P is written. Let's check out the formula also. Equal to count if bracket F6 to age 6, comma, then P. Okay, and then bracket, right? So you have to do this. I have kept it for a long. Please pause it. See it. I am doing it again. Equal to countif bracket F6. Like I would be going there from where I want these days, like they are present. Let me zoom out a little bit so that I could get it from here, right? Yes, I think this is visible also, and I could apply the formula. Countif bracket F6. There I would be going, see, from 1 to 31 I would be selecting, then comma, then this one, and then P. Okay, and then bracket, right? Now 21 days are there. Okay, present days are 21. This comes out to be perfect. You can check it manually also. Okay, I do it manually. In initial years I used to do manually to check that am I right or not. Now same way, scroll this, copy this below, and you could get it, right? You can pause it over here, you can do it, and then again you can check it out, right? Now let's calculate week off. Same formula. What you have to do is you just have to replace W. Okay, you just have to replace W from P, and you will get the same thing. Countif same F6 to AJ6 and then W. Okay. Now we would be calculating holidays, same formula again, and just you have to do is you have to replace this P or W with H. Okay. And you would be getting these holidays. You can see only one holidays there on 26 Jan, right? Next come out paid leave. Same you have to do. You have to replace the L. Whatever you have kept, like if you have kept for paid leave L or PL, so you have to replace the same thing over here and you will get it, right? So next paid days. Now how we have to calculate paid days? Let's do it together. It's also really easy. Now paid days, how come paid days will come? Anybody can tell now how paid days will come, because week offs and holidays are paid. We have seen this in previous session in our leave segment, okay, employees leave session. Now here what formula I have to put? I have to put what? Sum, and then this is from present days, week offs, holiday, paid leave. Okay, same way I have scrolled this, I have copied this formula down. You can do it, right? And please do it yourself, otherwise this is something you won't be able to understand. Next is unpaid leaves, unpaid days, sorry. It's better to calculate this unpaid days because employee ask, and you must know the account of an employee clearly. Okay, so now anybody could tell, even a small kid would able to tell that how unpaid days will come, right? So it's January, so 31 days are there, minus what you have to do, minus with the paid days. Okay, so this unpaid days will arrive, right? You can see this formula, you can check it out yourself, equal to 31 minus paid days. And same way you can copy the in the below employees also, and you will get the same, right? See, you can check it from here, same thing you could get it. Okay, I think we both are doing together, right? You are doing it with me, or you will be doing it after having a look over this. It's really important. This is really interesting, and this is the easiest, yes, easiest ever, easiest sheet you haven't seen. This is really an easiest because I haven't used much of the formulas. You can see I have used only countif and conditional formatting I have done. I haven't used anything else. Some is okay, some we do in Excel. We normally do some, right? So again I'm showing you this sheet. You can have a look on it. You can go back, you can practice it. Otherwise it will be of no use, right? I hope so it was helpful. If it's helpful, please do tell me, okay? And your comments are really beneficial for me because I keep on learning with them, and exciting as well. Okay, so till next video, all the very best. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.